Okay, now that we were outside, we can see a little bit more of what happened. There's the two solder joints. Basically, that's where the switch is on the other side. We're closest to points together. They tie into that. So it melted that. Started catching any flammables on fire. Basically the plastic. And it started running up the wires. We're shooting out of that little hole with a yellow spot on it right there. Above it anyway. So glad the customer turned the power off. Really saved himself on that one. Sometimes we can see this ahead of time, but on this one we wouldn't have. It wasn't time for him to get his heat service done yet, and he turned it on probably for the first time, and this started happening. Even though it's unrelated to the heating, it could have happened in air conditioning as well. Anyway, you guys have a good one.